split A's, right? So I'm grabbing that top A to try to activate just the middle of that wing so it doesn't snag that bush. That's the thought. Then once that wing comes up, you got to transition to the trims, pull the trims in, stay on the road, and then launch. Runway look clear. Feel the rhythm, feel the rhyme. 1, 2, 3, it's paramotor time. Good. My bad. It's been a hell of a time in St. George. Been here for the last week, and the flying's just been pretty stupid fun. Tomorrow's my last day here, and so what the plan is that it's gonna be me and the St. George crew. We're gonna meet up in a place called Laverkin, Utah. It's on the south border of Zion National Park. And we've got one of my buddies who's a photographer who's gonna go up in the tandem rig and snap some pretty epic photos of the boys and some aerial shots. Right now, just getting everything geared up and ready to go. So that's ready in the morning. I find that when I do this, when I'm groggy in the morning, just like getting the machine and everything ready, I tend to miss some things. So in order to not miss important details, I'm doing it all right now. Kind of just entails checking and making sure that everything's tight, propellers are tight, line guards are on, stuff like that. So just loading up, and then I'm gonna go to sleep, and we're gonna rock and roll, and I will see y'all in the morning. Gideon's gonna be shooting some rad shots for us, so let's do this. Let's go! Guys, thanks so much for watching. I had an absolute blast flying with Gideon, getting the shots of Brad and then Cody, who showed up later, over Laverkin. It was incredible. I love flying tandem. It's probably one of the best joys that I get, is being able to take other people up. and have them experience that as well. I appreciate all the love and support if you made it this far in the video. Since I've started this channel, I've received so much love, lots of words of encouragement, and I appreciate that so much. So if you liked what you saw, go ahead and subscribe. More subscriptions means that we get to make more footage, or I get to make more footage, more content. Go ahead and hit the notification bell that's somewhere down here so that it alerts you when there's new content coming out every Monday and Thursday. And then hit the like button. I don't know what that does.